In this video, I'm going to show you how to unknit an SK2P. That's a double decrease where you actually slip a stitch, you knit two together, and then you pass that slip stitch over the needle. Okay? So right here, this stitch leaning to the left is an SK2P. So let's go ahead and unknit that stitch. So I'm going to unknit my first stitch, which is just a regular stitch, and now I'm to that double decrease. The easiest thing to do is to take the tip of your needle and lift it up and put it back on your right hand needle. Because if you remember, in an SK2P, you don't work that stitch, you just slip it. Now I'm going to insert the tip of my needle into my knit two together, and you can see when I insert into the hole below, which is my stitch below, it's a knit two together, so I have two stitches there. Now I'm going to let that slide off my left hand needle, and now I've undone the knit two together part. Okay, now I need to slip this stitch back to my left hand needle, but we slipped that stitch knitwise, and so in order to get that stitch back to my needle seated correctly, I'm going to go in from front to back. And when I do, that puts the stitch over on the right hand needle correctly because our right leg is supposed to be in the front. Let's do that one more time. Just going to unknit a couple stitches here. Now I'm ready to unknit my SK2P. The first step is to take this stitch you slipped off the needle, take it and put it back on. All I did was I just put the tip of my needle into it, lifted it up over the stitch on my needle, and put it back on the needle. Now I'm going to unknit my knit two together. So I'm going to take the tip of my needle into both stitches. See there? Now I can let that slide off my right needle and pull out that working yarn. It looks like I split my yarn just a little bit on that, so I'm going to get rid of that. Now I need to slip this stitch back. So if I slip it over just how I have it seated, you can see here how my right leg is in the back and I need to have my right leg in the front. So all you need to do is turn that stitch around and you have it all set up and ready to work again. That's how you unknit an SK2P. I'm Paula, your knitting coach from Chicks with Sticks Knit, the gathering place for the love of knitting. Until next time, knit with love, my friend.